The World Trade Organization and the US Federal Reserve Chair issue warnings on the impact of tariffs as concerns grow about the escalating US-China trade war. We're aboard China's silver trains, a strategy to encourage the country's aging population to travel and boost domestic spending. Plus, the White House says a man mistakenly deported to an El Salvador prison will never be allowed back into the United States. And are we alone in the universe? Scientists find more evidence that a faraway world may possibly be home.
And could there be something out there? Scientists find the strongest evidence yet that there could be life on another planet.